Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a super common, and sometimes frustrating Excel issue, how to clear filters when opening a workbook. Have you ever opened an Excel file and found that it's already filtered, showing only a subset of your data? This can be confusing, especially if you didn't apply the filters yourself or can't remember what they are. In this video, we'll walk through a few simple and effective methods to ensure your Excel workbook opens with all filters cleared, giving you a clean slate every time. We'll cover everything from a quick manual fix to a VBA solution for more complex scenarios. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps the channel.
Okay, let's get started.
Screen recording of Excel begins, showing a workbook with filters applied. Okay, so you've opened your Excel workbook and oh no, you see those little filter icons next to your column headers. This means filters are active and you're not seeing all of your data. Let's see how to fix this. Method 1. Manually clearing filters. The easiest way is to manually clear the filters. Demonstrate selecting a column with a filter icon. First, select the column that has the filter applied. You can tell which columns have filters because they'll have that little filter icon in the header. Demonstrate going to Data Filter. Next, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Sort and Filter group, you'll see the Filter button. Demonstrate toggling the Filter button. Click the Filter button to toggle the filter off and then on again. This will clear all applied filters in the selected column. Demonstrate clearing a filter from the drop-down menu, Data Filter Clear. Alternatively, if toggling the filter doesn't work or you want to be extra sure, you can click the filter icon itself, and in the drop-down menu, select Clear Filter from column name. Repeat for other columns with filters. Repeat these steps for any other columns that have filters applied until all those little filter icons disappear. And there you go. Your data is now unfiltered. Method 2. Clearing filters from all columns simultaneously. What if you have tons of columns with filters? Manually clearing them one by one can be tedious. Luckily, there's a quicker way. Demonstrate going to Data, Clear. Go to the Data tab again. In the Sort and Filter group, you'll find a Clear button. Demonstrate clicking the Clear button. Simply click the Clear button and poof, all filters are cleared instantly from all columns in your sheet. Much faster, right? Method 3. Using VBA to clear filters on Workbook Open, for advanced users. Now, let's say you always want your filters cleared when you open this workbook. We can achieve this using VBA. This is a bit more advanced, so stick with me. Demonstrate accessing the VBA editor, Developer tab, Visual Basic, or Alt plus F11. First, open the VBA editor. You can do this by going to the Developer tab and clicking Visual Basic, or by pressing Alt plus F11 on your keyboard. If you don't see the Developer tab, you'll need to enable it in Excel's options. Just Google Enable Developer tab Excel if you need help.
Astérisque astérisque, demonstrat fin d'un the workbook-open event. In Project Explorer, double-click this workbook, astérisque astérisque.
In the Project Explorer window on the left, if you don't see it, go to View Project Explorer, double-click on this workbook. This opens the code window for the workbook object.
Astérisque astérisque, demonstrat pasting the VBA code, astérisque astérisque.
Now, paste the following code into the code window.
VBA. Private sub workbook-open.
On Error Resume next. With this workbook. Worksheets. For each WS in .sheets.
WS.autofilterMode égale false. Next WS.
End with. On error go to 0. End sub. Explain the code. Let's break down what this code does. Asterisk private sub workbook _open. This tells Excel to run this code every time the workbook is opened. Asterisk on Error Resume next. This line is a safety net. If there's an error in the code, it will skip it and continue to the next line. Asterisk with this workbook. Worksheets. This line tells the code to work with all the worksheets in the current workbook. Asterisk for each WS in .sheets. This loop iterates through each worksheet in the workbook.
Astérisque WS.autofilterMode égale false. This is the key-line.
It turns off the autofilter mode for each worksheet, effectively clearing any existing filters. Asterisk next WS. This moves to the next worksheet. Asterisk end with. This ends the with statement. Asterisk on error go to 0. This resets the error handling. Demonstrate saving the workbook as a macro-enabled workbook, XLSM. Important. Save your workbook as a macro-enabled workbook with the extension XLSM. Otherwise, the VBA code won't run when you open the file. Demonstrate closing and reopening the workbook.
Close and reopen the workbook.
You should now find that the filters are automatically cleared every time. Conclusion. So there you have it. 3 different ways to clear filters when opening a workbook in Excel. Whether you prefer the quick manual method or the automated VBA solution, you now have the tools to ensure your data is always presented clearly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tutorials. Let me know in the comments which method you prefer. And as always, thanks for watching.